So hello there guys, Mehul back in with another new video. So today I have a simple form spree or form spark alternative. And if you don't know what is form spree or form spark, so suppose you have a static website and the only dynamic part of the website is your contact form. Okay, a simple HTML website or maybe anything that you have. So your only functional or dynamic part of the website. Now, functional to is obviously the whole website, but only dynamic part of the website where you would have to take response. Maybe it can be a newsletter subscription, maybe it can be like contact form, maybe it can be anything. Okay, any sort of thing. So you have to take response in that form. So for that retail portion you will not generate a like whole kind of backend kind of stuff just to get response from it. Okay, so instead what you will use, you will use a service like this which will give you a simple form kind of like a script, basically a script and a link with which your form id will be attached, and whenever someone submits on that form, it will get to your database, like it will get into that platform's database. If you are like, think it as a, you are suppose creating a spreadsheet and all of the submission will be over there. Okay, simple google form, but in your website, embedded into your website, but it's not a google form, rather than it's like a genuine html coded form. Okay, so this is that kind of a service. So today we have is this service that is totally free. Okay, as of now there is no details about pricing and all. Okay, so they are giving it for totally free. I don't know how, but yeah, you can simply use it for form submissions, but no image attachment or some kind of a object attachment. So it's not having any object storage, it's just for simple database, like simple written database. Okay, so let me show it to you and let's discover the platform together. Though the site doesn't have too much to offer us, like in the landing page, I don't know why, but let's see. Okay. So here is our today's website, that is FormChimp. Kind of a sounds like Mailchimp and all, like that category of things, but it's nothing like that. It's not related at all. Okay. So as you can see, the from the website you can understand nothing. Those are just big text for you, and really nothing else. Like you can go through this website, but yeah, there is nothing much. And here is formspree. If you haven't used it before, here is formspree and here is formspark. So you can go to their site to understand what actually they do. So basically it is also explained over here. Like first create a front end of your form, like your website having a form, and you can use it in any of the language, like a framework or language that you are going to use, like html, create it in html, create it in react, create it in pure.js, whatever you want to do, view, whatever. Okay, then create a form on form chimp. The backend only was that they are actually using the correct word or correct terminologies of it. Like you will be only creating the backend of it, the database portion and the connection, api connections, and then connect it to your website. So you will get the docs link from here, and they have prepared a simple notion doc. I would say that is more preferable nowadays because it's like easier to navigate as well. So you can like use it using js. So let's go to the js portion, and it's simply using axios or axios, whatever you want to call it. And as if as it's using axios, so you can simply call it via axios in your react project as well, next project as well. Okay, both are possible. And you can see they have like maintained a similar kind of a pattern, like action. In the action they have this https of that link and then form id. Similar over here, API form chim app, then form ID. That's it. That's the thing. And then you can like function response catch error, and like they have this error catching functionality that is also great, and like yeah, other things. Now let us see, like you can define fields over here as well. Okay, so you can get a JSON data. And rather than that, let me show you this thing, FormGym.js. Yeah, you can install its npm package as well. So you can import it in your what React project and use it, like use it as a like constant over here, and then you can simply submit to it. That is also possible. So yeah, and you have the CDN link. Obviously it is the CDN link that is simply can be attached in any of the like normal JS projects and something like that. Okay, and here you can get it from the CTN link. Yeah, that is also a thing. Whatever. So this is a simplistic use of it. So basically this is a free alternative of this. So if you already know about this, you will know what to do. If you don't know about it, I would say go through on this, like have a look on this. Okay, go through this website, and you will you will know like how to use this kind of a platforms, or what for actually what purpose this kind of a platform is built. Then come to this and create the form links and do things. That's it. And first of all, like to create any form, you will be needing a Google account to get into this platform, and that's it. That's what they want, actually nothing else. Actually having the login, or the credentials, yeah, login credentials managed with Google is a kind of a clever step, because in order in that case you don't have to take care about any of the login system, like you don't have to create it yourself at all. Then whatever, I like this idea. Like that they are giving it for free. I don't know how they are giving it for free, but they are. So that's the thing, and you can go through their privacy policy and terms of use as well if you wanna go through that. And here is their GitHub link. Here you can go and see the all of those APIs, how it works and all. And that's wrap up our today's video, because there nothing much to share about it. Even I will put the thumbnail, or the video uh, title as a from forms free alternative, a free forms free alternative, because that will, then people will understand it easily, to be honest. Yeah, so that's it for this video. uh, I know if you gonna use it, obviously, because it does make sense to use it everywhere, not everywhere, but somewhere that you where you need to just create a single usage of the contact, rather than that nothing else is required. But whatever, you can do that. And rather than that, if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, man, and share it with your friends. Let them know that this kind of a channel also exists, like who make a video every day about tech, design, and all. Comment down below, do whatever, like just boost up the YouTube algorithm, man. And that's it for today. If you know about some of the great apps or alternatives like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below, so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.